Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of AI Studio, the show where we dive into the world of artificial intelligence, one tool, one test, one honest review at a time. Today's guest is not your average college student. This guy, he's got more on his plate than a university cafeteria. Classes, done. Freelancing, done. Learning 5 skills at once? Easy. Some say he doesn't sleep. He just recharges like a Tesla. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the productivity wizard, the king of multitasking, the one and only Ethan Brooks. AIBundle.
Reviewed with care. Shared with honesty.
Wow, Mark, that intro was so good, I think I just got promoted to faculty member. Honestly, I'm just a guy who found the right sidekick, and that sidekick is Notion AI.
Notion AI? You mean the thing that organizes your brain before your brain wakes up? Okay, tell me how this thing actually helps. How are you managing to study, work, and still be this calm?
Let's break it down. Notion AI is like having a tutor, a writer, a translator, a project manager, and a life coach, all inside one app. Need a paper outline? Ask it. Want to brainstorm ideas? Ask it. Have a lecture that feels like it never ends? Paste it in. Notion AI will give you the summary before you finish your snack.
Man, back in my day, all we had was coffee and panic. Okay, what about writing? You ever let it write stuff for you?
All the time. I'll write a messy draft, then ask Notion AI, make it sound smarter, and boom, I get a clean, formal version that sounds like I've been reading academic journals since birth. It fixes grammar, tone, structure. I use it for essays, emails, even internship applications.
So be honest, did it write your final project too?
Nope, but it helped me plan it, fix awkward paragraphs, and polish the whole thing. Like a second brain, but without the anxiety.
All right. For every student listening, would you recommend Notion AI?
Absolutely. But listen, it's not a magic button. It helps you work smarter, but you still need to think. You're the driver. Notion AI is the GPS.
There you have it. Ethan Brooks, the guy who made productivity look easy and made us all question how we spend our time. If you're drowning in deadlines, struggling to organize your life, or just want help with writing, summarizing, or thinking better, try Notion AI. Seriously, it's not perfect, but it's powerful. And it's one of those tools you won't want to live without. And hey, don't forget to follow us everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, we're everywhere. You literally can't escape us. We'll see you in the next video with a new tool, a new review, and maybe a guest even smarter than Ethan. But we doubt it. Until then, stay smart, stay curious, and peace. AIBundle.
Reviewed with care. Shared with honesty.